You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, which is a diminutive of the name Maria or Maria. It exists in quite a few different languages. It's originally from Hebrew, but yes, it exists in Eastern European languages, especially in Russian. The Russian pronunciation is as Masha. Masha. It also exists in Serbian, Croatian, Slovene, with a similar pronunciation. Also, the Hebrew pronunciation is as Masha. So, how to pronounce it? Masha, or in English, it's often pronounced as Masha. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.